Kiwi fruit, the symbol of New Zealand's agricultural products, has made the country the world's largest exporter of kiwi fruit, with exports to exceed $1.5 billion by 2023. New Zealand produces more than 500,000 tons of kiwi fruit each year, accounting for 60% of global kiwi fruit exports. The main kiwi fruit growing regions, such as Bay of Plenty, Hawke's Bay and Gisborne, account for more than 70% of the growing area, thanks to their mild climate and favorable natural conditions. Every year, about 80% of New Zealand's kiwi fruit production is exported, with major markets including Japan, China, and European countries such as the UK, Germany, and Italy. The kiwi industry not only brings high economic value, contributing more than $1.2 billion to GDP, but also creates thousands of jobs, promoting the development of the agricultural. Thanks to constant innovation, New Zealand kiwi continues to affirm its leading position, becoming a source of pride and a symbol of success in the country's agricultural sector. Green agriculture technology, the journey of growing and harvesting millions of kiwi fruit from New Zealand. What do you think makes New Zealand kiwis different from other kiwis? Watch this video to find out what makes New Zealand kiwi so special. Popular varieties include Green Hayward with a balanced sweet and sour taste, and Gold Kiwi with a rich sweet taste and soft flesh. Choosing a variety depends on climate, soil, and market demand. Kiwis grow best in loose, well-drained soil with a pH of 6.0 to 6.5. To improve the soil, organic fertilizer and biofertilizer should be added to increase fertility. At the same time, check the humidity and drainage capacity regularly to avoid waterlogging, ensuring ideal conditions for the plant to grow. Before planting kiwis, building a sturdy trellis is an important step to support the plant's growth. The trellis system not only helps the vine to climb firmly, but also ensures that the fruit clusters are exposed to light evenly, promoting photosynthesis and increasing productivity. In addition, the trellis also helps the fruit avoid direct contact with the ground, limiting the risk of mold and pests, while creating favorable conditions for care and harvesting. The trellis needs to be designed high and sturdy enough to withstand the weight of mature plants and weather factors. Kiwi is usually planted in the fall or early spring, when the weather is cool, creating ideal conditions for the plant to grow. Ensuring planting distance also plays an important role, with rows from 13.12 to 16.41 feet and plants from 16.4 to 19.7 feet. This distance helps the plant have enough space to grow healthily, receive optimal light and air, and is convenient for care and harvesting. In addition, the use of biological growth drugs helps to increase resistance and promote plant growth, helping kiwi plants to flower and fruit more regularly. For kiwi plants to grow well and achieve high yields, proper water supply is very important, especially in the dry season. Using a drip irrigation system helps save water and maintain stable soil moisture. This method allows water to be supplied directly to the base of the plant, minimizing waste and ensuring that the plant receives enough moisture without causing waterlogging. Nitrogen fertilizer is very important for kiwi plants to grow strongly. Nitrogen stimulates growth, creates fresh green leaves, and supports photosynthesis, thereby helping the plant form new cells and improve resistance. The time to prune kiwi branches usually starts from the second year after planting. Removing weak and ineffective old branches is an important step to maintain the health of kiwi plants. These branches are often incapable of producing good fruit or have poor growth ability, reducing productivity and wasting the plant's energy. Removing weak branches helps the plant concentrate nutrients on healthier branches, promoting fruit development and ensuring the best fruit quality. The flowering process of kiwi trees is an important turning point, marking the transition from fresh spring to sweet autumn. Around October to December, kiwi trees bloom with pure white flower clusters, emitting a gentle fragrance to attract bees and insects, creating conditions for cross-pollination. This is the time when the tree needs careful care to prepare for the later fruit development stage. To support the pollination process of kiwi trees and help the bees not to work too hard, we use the method of adding artificial pollen. Pollen is collected with a specialized pollen collector, then dried quickly to avoid mold and maintain quality. This process can be done using a dryer or naturally in a well-ventilated environment. After drying, the pollen is filtered to remove impurities and sorted by particle size to ensure uniformity and quality. After being filtered and sorted, the pollen is sealed in a sealed package for preservation, maintaining its quality and stored at low temperatures in dry conditions. When used, the pollen is diluted with water and sprayed evenly on the kiwi plant during the flowering stage. The pollen sprayer helps to enhance pollination of kiwi plants with a tank capacity of 1.32 to 5.28 gallons and a spray speed of 0.264 to 0.792 gallons per minute, spraying up to 32.81 to 49.21 feet. The machine has a capacity of 1.5 to 3 horsepower. The tank is made of plastic or stainless steel, easy to move, and operates on 220 volts electricity or rechargeable batteries. Some models also have humidity sensors and automatic spraying systems, saving time and increasing productivity. Kiwi plants are susceptible to pests such as aphids and fungi. Using safe pesticides and natural enemies helps protect plants and maintain sustainable productivity. Signs of ripeness include the skin turning a characteristic golden yellow or dark green, along with a slightly soft feel when touched. To determine the exact time of harvest, farmers often use a Brix meter, a tool that measures the amount of sugar in the fruit. In addition, the sweetness and flavor of the fruit are also tested to ensure quality. Kiwis are harvested by hand to ensure care and avoid bruising the fruit. Harvesters will choose the time when the fruit is ripe, when the skin turns yellow or dark green, and the fruit has a certain softness, which is a sign that the kiwi has reached optimal ripeness. The harvesting process needs to be done gently so as not to damage the fruit, keeping the shape and quality of the product intact. This is very important to ensure that the kiwi retains its freshness and value when it reaches consumers. In addition to the traditional hand harvesting method, kiwi is now also harvested by robots to increase efficiency and reduce labor costs. Modern kiwi harvesting robots are equipped with 3D image sensors and AI cameras to identify ripe fruits, distinguish size, color, and ripeness. The robot arm is highly flexible, capable of rotating 360 degrees and adjusting the force to harvest without crushing the fruit. Harvesting speeds can reach 500 to 1,000 fruits per hour, increasing productivity compared to manual harvesting. After harvesting is complete, the kiwi fruit is transferred to the factory for processing and grading to ensure it meets quality standards before exporting or domestic consumption. The first process is to wash the kiwi fruit with water to remove dirt, sand, and any remaining impurities. Next, the kiwi fruit are put into the inspection and grading chain. They will be technically inspected for size, color, and ripeness to be classified into different groups. Fully ripe fruits will be separated for immediate consumption or export, while the remaining products will be sorted to continue naturally or treated with rapid ripening technology, helping to achieve uniform ripeness. The required results will be packed into specialized boxes or cartons designed to provide effective protection during transportation and storage. To ensure quality, some service providers also use protective films, soft linings, or shock-absorbing cushions to minimize collisions and strong impacts during handling. This process may also include ethylene gas treatment to provide uniform and rapid ripening. After grading and packaging, the kiwi fruit undergoes a final quality check. Those that pass the test are stored in cool storage with controlled temperature and humidity to maintain freshness and quality. In storage, the kiwi fruit are kept in optimal conditions, ready for shipment to domestic and international markets. In 2021, New Zealand exported approximately 432,000 tons of kiwi fruit, valued at over $1.5 billion. In 2022, exports are expected to reach approximately 480,000 tons, with China, Japan, and European countries as the main markets. By 2023, New Zealand's kiwi fruit export volume will continue to increase by about 500,000 tons, demonstrating the sustainable development of the country's kiwi fruit export industry. Did you know that kiwi juice is not only delicious, but also very good for your health? In the processing plant, kiwis are washed, sorted, and peeled before being pressed to obtain pure juice. This process ensures that impurities are removed, helping kiwi juice retain its purity and natural flavor. After filtering, the water is heat-treated to sterilize, prolonging its shelf life, or immediately bottled to preserve its flavor. To enhance quality, some products may add sugar or safe preservatives. Have you ever tried processed kiwi juice, and how does it taste? Kiwi is not only delicious, but also rich in nutrients, providing vitamins C, K, E, potassium, and folate, helping to strengthen the immune system, protect the skin, and improve digestion. The fiber in kiwis supports heart health, while the antioxidants reduce the risk of chronic disease. Kiwis are a great choice for family health and are widely available in supermarkets in New Zealand and around the world. Today, try making dried kiwi fruit snacks with me. You will find that the process is not only fun, but also very simple. First, prepare ripe kiwis, peel and slice them thinly. Using a dehydrator or fruit dehydrator, dry the kiwis at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 hours until slightly dry. Dried kiwis are a great snack, can be added to cereal, yogurt, or salad, providing a slightly sweet taste and high nutritional value. Are you ready to try it? If you find this video useful and interesting, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to always receive the most interesting and useful content as soon as it is released. Let's explore new knowledge with us and experience the interesting things we bring to you.